you call me a fool and I'm your fool, Sick, the poster. Alright, so let's look at this poster first. So there's two version posters too. Honestly, this is my fave. And then like, honestly, this is my fave. Alright, so I bought this from FNC. And we get like a photo card for pre-ordering. Yuju! Let's see who's the other one. Remy! Remy! Look what the back looks like. Remy and Yuju. I think I'm gonna do the Dazzle version first. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Makes it stronger with you. Look at the little hearts, how cute. Honestly, could have don't really need this plastic cover. Cute, look at the CD, it has butterflies on it. Let's flip through them. G1. Like, I love how it says Love in Space, like their title song, and then they're like wearing cowboy boots because Cowboy Bebop, you know, like. They're also pretty, like. It sucks that we had to wait a whole damn year. Bora. It was her birthday last week. And I actually saw her V Live. I didn't watch the Yuju's though. Her hair like this is really cute. Hey. Not the cowboy hat. Oh my gosh, look at these photo cards. Please, I want all of them now. Oh my gosh, even the back. But honestly, this pattern reminds me of the one that I bought from Artbox. Like the cover. Please, this is so cute. I got two Remy. With her hair like this, please. Oh! G1. I think G1 was like my original bias. I usually go for visuals. Because I'm trash. Nice. Nice. Yuju. We got Bora, Miss Bora. And then we got May. Little heart May. This is very weird. Chedin. Honestly, I feel like Chedin's my bias wrecker. Like, look at her, she's so cute. I think there was that one picture of Chedin in the last comeback. Wow, that was like that was when she became my bias wrecker. Honestly, look at this, like, damn. Remy. So cute. Her little space buns. The ending of my boo. Oh, goodness. Credit. Special thanks to all LULEP members, all FNCW staffs. Nice. Go to the Fascinate version. Basically butterfly and then cat version. I didn't even notice the big cat. But this also has holographic. Let's look at the CD. It's a cat. What the? Oh my god, Yuju in the back here. What you doing here, girl? Just a cat. Nice. Let's flick through this. Wow. I think I like her without bangs, honestly. Oh my gosh, May. Oof. Whoa, this picture. Wow. Her nails. Oh my gosh. Got hearts on it. Cute. Great. Wow. It's like my 3 faves right here. Wait, is her hair blue? My gosh. They look so good in this concept. like they always had like this cute concept, and then we finally get like a darker concept. I feel like this is gonna be their transition era, like where they go more mature after this. Because honestly, look at them, like, please, they pulled it off so good. Oh my god, I hate you. This also has a hologram thing, but it's like mostly circles and like it doesn't show that well. Bro. Why are there always like slight scratches? This is the back. Ooh, the back, you can see it a lot more. Nice. Look at her, she's so cute. And she's tiny in real life, like, please. Bruh, her eyes are so big. What is going on? I'm losing my voice. She's so pretty. G1. Another one. Nice. Look at this set. Nice. Miss Remy. Why is she pulling this hair off so well? Like, is it like her normal haircut? Like, but it feels different. Like, oh, you do. I think Remy like pulls off bangs so perfectly. Like her face was made for bangs. Nice. Nice. Look at this. Bruh. This concept. Bruh. Bruh. Girl, we ready for this more mature concept. Nice. Okay, that's it.